everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. I just got in the cowl for my 64 Falcon, and I just wanted to do an unboxing. I bought this off of eBay. It's $285 delivered to my door, and it's a Dynacorn. So I just kind of wanted to show you the unboxing of that. So as you can tell, the box came well packaged. So I will get my knife and open it up and bring you right back. Alright folks, I got it opened up here. You can tell that it's well packaged. Got it in bubble wrap with some foam down there. So there she is. Pop these off real quick, and we'll sit her in place, see how she lines up. Wow. Tell you what, I'm impressed. Pop this one off. Until she fits right in there. This edge is going to have to be bent up, but other than that, it looks like it's going to be an exact fit. You can't beat that. Anyways, I just wanted to bring you in on every part of this and let you see what's going on with it. So that's where we're at right now with that. And I just wanted to bring it out, let you check it out. And right now I highly recommend this piece. I've been picking up some stuff off of eBay. It just seems to be about the cheapest, even though I'm pretty sure this come from Max. Maybe I'm wrong on that. Maybe they didn't put it on there. I forgot exactly who the seller was on this. But yeah, you just can't go wrong sometimes with some of that stuff on eBay. Anyways, I'll bring you back when I start actually installing this. I still got a lot of work to do on the actual filling in some pieces there, and then I got to figure out something to do around the definitely around those hats. But anyways, as you can see, I had one of the pieces of metal out and kind of messing around with that, but I just wanted to see what it looked like. Alright, catch y'all later. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.